So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to my channel Mr. Lazy Tech, and this video is all about this. This is the MI trimmer. This is one of the best trimmer you can see under 1500 rupees. So I'll do the unboxing of this trimmer and let's see what will we get inside the box and give you the basic features and overview of this trimmer. And apart from this one, I'm using this trimmer as well. This is the Philips trimmer. I'm using this since a long time and its bhi price 1500 rupees ke under hai. And at the end of the video, I'll give you a little bit comparison between both the trimmers and let's see which one is better and which one you should buy. So hope you like this one, and if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the MI beard trimmer you will be getting once the product is reached to you. And behind the box they have mentioned the price is approximately 1500 rupees, but you can get it at 1400 rupees online. So let us just quickly unbox this thing, and these are all the things you'll be getting inside the box. First of all, mainly the trimmer. They have given a good quality of trimmer over here, you can say. And let us just keep this thing aside and let's see what will we get apart from this one. 2 extra combs you'll be getting according to your beard adjustment, that is a plus point. And a travel pouch, that is a good thing from MI. And the charging cable to charge your trimmer. And a brush to clean the hairs from your trimmer. And a user manual, you can just read it once and see all the functions of this trimmer. Coming to the main product, the trimmer itself, they have given a good quality of premium product and the hold is also very perfect, you can say. So आप इसको easily अपने hand में रख के इसको use कर सकते हैं और बहुत ही premium finish दिया गया है इस trimmer में. And stainless steel की blades दी गई है, and this is the power button and these are the battery indicator. So आपको बताती रहेगी बैटरी कितनी बची है. अगर इसमें आपको ट्रैवल लॉक मिल जाता है 3 सेकंड्स के लिए, आप इसको होल्ड करके रखेंगे बटन को, सो ये ब्लिंक करेगी तो ट्रैवल लॉक हो गया. नाउ यू वोंट बी एबल टू यूज द ट्रिमर. दैट इज अ गुड फीचर, यू कैन से. फिर इसको आप 3 सेकंड्स के लिए लॉन्ग प्रेस करेंगे सो ट्रैवल लॉक हट जाएगा, देन यू विल बी एबल टू यूज द ट्रिमर. दैट इज अ वेरी गुड फीचर, you can say, from MI. And overall they have given a good finish here as well, and these are the adjustment. 20 length settings they have given, total 40 length settings, 0.5 की settings दी गई है. And using the comb you can just do the settings according to your need and do the trimming of your beard. So overall 40 settings they have given, including both the combs. And this is the charging cable, so you'll be able to charge this trimmer fully in 1.5 or 2 hours maximum, और आपको 70 to 90 minutes का बैटरी बैकअप मिल जाएगा. That is a very good initiative from MI. एंड इसमें आपको IPX7 का कम्प्लीटली वाटर रेजिस्टेंट फीचर मिल जाएगा. सो पूरा आप इसको पानी में डिप कर देंगे तो भी कोई इशू नहीं आने वाला है. दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट फ्रॉम MI. So as you can see, MI trimmer is one of the best trimmer at this price range. इसका प्राइस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1400 रुपीज़ है. जो ट्रिमर्स 2000 से 3000 रुपीज़ की रेंज में आते हैं, सेम फीचर्स आपको इस प्राइस रेंज में मिल जाएंगे. दैट इज अ वेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम MI एट दिस मोमेंट, यू कैन से. एंड अगर हम इसको फिलिप्स ट्रिमर से कंपेयर करेंगे, विच आई एम यूजिंग सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम, ऐसे तो कंपेरिजन की बात नहीं है. इसका भी प्राइस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1400 रुपीज़ है, बट यू विल बी एबल टू चार्ज दिस ट्रिमर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 7 to 8 आवर्स लगते हैं इसमें, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा है. और 30 मिनट्स का आपको बैटरी बैकअप मिल जाएगा, जो कि बहुत कम है. एंड इसको आप सिर्फ कॉर्डलेस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वाइल चार्जिंग यू वोंट बी एबल टू यूज दिस ट्रिमर. Wherever you will be getting approximately 70 to 90 minutes of charging time just by charging 2 hours, not more than that. That is a plus point. And इसमें आप dual characters मिल जाएगा आपको. You can use this while charging as well and cordless as well. That is a plus point from MI. And इसमें आपको water resistant नहीं मिलेगा, and इसमें आपको completely water resistant feature मिल जाएगा. So आप इसको पानी में पूरा डाल देंगे तो कोई issue नहीं आएगा. And Philips trimmer में आपको सिर्फ एक कॉम मिलेगा additionally, but you will be getting additional 2 combs with the MI trimmer. So that is a plus point. And अगर हम स्किन फ्रेंडली की बात करें तो both the trimmers are skin friendly. ऐसा नहीं है कोई एक particularly skin friendly नहीं है. So you'll be able to trim your beard very easily with both the trimmers. That is a plus point. So clearly MI trimmer is a pure winner at this price range, considering the price range and features, and there is no issue regarding that. You can definitely buy this one at 1400 rupees only. I am also leaving the link in the description part below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll help you out with that. So this was all about the unboxing and overview and the features of the MI trimmer and a little bit of comparison with the Philips trimmer. So hope you like this one, and if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Thank you.